Hi friends, welcome to Marine Shouters. Today we are going to discuss about relays. The last video we discussed about the thermistor protection relay. Now we are going to discuss the relay as switch. Mostly these are the common type of relays used in the marine electrical circuits. So these relays are used as a switch. It will help to make or break contact with the help of a signal without any human involvement in order to switch on or off. And it is mainly used to control a high powered circuit using a low power signal. So the here we will also see what are the components inside this relay. What are the components are there? So let's see the working. This is the inside diagram of a relay. It consists of an electromagnet uh, coil, and then a armature, and it's pivoted here. This link is pivoted here, and two fixed contacts, top and bottom, and there are one common contact is there, that is movable in nature. So it's either the one contact is normally closed and one contact is normally open. When the magnet energizes, it will push the moving contact to the top one, so that it will it will get closed. So, here it will get closed. So it will become closed, so not it will become closed, and this one become open. How it works? That is how it works. That means when the magnet energizes, the magnet it will attract the yoke to this direction. It will in turn move. This is pivoted, so this contact will push the contact towards this contact. So this will be closed and this will get open. That is how relay is working. And there are different many types of relays are there. Normally we are using these relays as you seen here, normally operated in this one. You see 12 volt DC. uh, it will operate and 12 volt DC, 250 volt AC or 30 volt DC, like that. Different types are there, so we can find out in many of the circuit diagram. And okay, this is how it works. And mostly the relays are represented as per IEC standard. As per IEC, the relays are represented as X, Y, K, T. Okay, we will just remain these letters in your mind. When you see this, it will represent a relay. Uh, we will discuss more when we will discuss this in depth when we are going to discuss the electric circuit diagrams. Okay. Anyway, this is all about the relays. And if you have any doubts, feel free to comment on it, and we will get back to you. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.